Close your eyes for a moment. Picture the future you've always dreamed of, the career, the relationships, the life you've envisioned. It feels satisfying, doesn't it? But here's the catch. Staying in the fantasy makes that dream harder to reach. Why? Because your mind is tricked into thinking you've already won. That false sense of achievement leaves you unprepared for the real battles ahead. Success isn't built on daydreams. It's forged in the struggle, in the sweat of late nights, in the grit of setbacks that make you question everything. Picture yourself grinding through challenges, staying focused when the world tells you to give up. Envision the process, the early mornings, the quiet sacrifices, the relentless pursuit of progress. When obstacles come, and they will, you'll be ready. Why? Because you've trained your mind to expect the hard work, not the instant reward. Goals aren't achieved by imagining the finish line. They're conquered through action, persistence, and an unyielding. Your comfort zone might feel safe, but it's not your ally. It's a cage whispering lies, holding you back from the greatness that lies beyond your fears. Take one step outside today. Face a challenge you've been avoiding. That step is where transformation begins. Each action rewires your brain for resilience, for success. Stop settling for mediocrity. Start chasing growth. Life doesn't reward the idle. It rewards those who dare to act, to risk, and to persist. Remember this. Visualize the journey, embrace the grind, and know that the destination will be worth every moment of struggle. The time is now. Take the first step. Transform your life one decision, one action, one relentless pursuit at a time. Let your story be one of triumph, not regret.